Hello everyone. The automatic transmit point of sale sales report to the manager app helps user to send and sales report email automatically once the session is closed. So after installing this module, we can see and manage the settings in the point of sale configurations. So let's get into the point of sale. Under that we can see in settings. So from here user needs to enable this option and then user needs to select and manager from the drop down which is available here. So once everything is done, new session. Now let's start the session. With the automatic email feature, manager can receive a comprehensive daily report of point of sale sales, including all the relevant details as soon as session is closed. So before that we can place an order. So let's place one order, okay, with the payment of bank. Now let's place another order, okay, with the payment of cash, right? Now I have placed two orders. Now let's close the session. So after closing the session, the manager will get an sales report through mail. So let's get into that Gmail. Okay. So from here, once we have closed the session, we will get a mail like this. So there we can see an point of sales report. Let's get into that. In this report, user can see an session summary details, payment details, cash register summary, and also the product summary on the single page. If user needs to add any extra content, so for that we have a mail templates. So let's get into end settings. Right in here we can see end templates. So from here you can see end point of sales report. We can add an extra reports or any other content. If you need, you can add the reports right away here. So in this way we can make use of this module to send and sales report email automatically once the session is closed. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To see more about and point of sale related modules, check our BrowseInfo playlist to see all newly updated point of sale features that we have. Thanks for watching.